Hello, Automation Anywhere lovers. Welcome back to KT Sessions. Today we are going to dive into system variables in Automation Anywhere A360. So, system variables are helpful assistants that provide information about our system and bot itself. For example, you might want to know the current date, time, or the path of the folder where your bot is stored. So that is where system variable come in handy. So let's see how to use a system variable. So let me go to the control room and I have created this task bot. And when we go to this variables palette, we can see predefined variables. And here you can see system variables. And when we expand this, we can see a lot of system variables. And the data type of the variables is string, number, date, etc. There are a lot of system variables which we can use in our task bot. And if you want to use a number variable, so you need to use a number assign action. So when we take a assign action of number data type, and here when we click on insert a value, we can see this drop down, choose a variable. And when we scroll down, here we can see all the number data type variables of system. CPU uses, day, hour, millisecond, minute, month, RAM uses, second, total RAM, year. So for example, I want to check the total amount of the RAM. So I will select this variable and click on yes, insert. And here we need to select a destination or a variable where we want to save the result. Okay. And then we can print this with the help of message box. So let me run the bot. So here we can see 4007. Let me close this. Similarly, we can explore other variables. The next one is returns the current day of the month, or returns the current hour, returns system milliseconds, and minute, month, and all. So let's try this one here. And here we go, we can see 2024, which is the current year. And there are another variables also, day, hour, minutes, and all. We will create a date with the help of these variables. So, and let's explore the string variable. So for that, we will use string assign package, assign action, installation path. So it will return the installation path of the Automation Anywhere products, means that path of the bot agent. So let me insert this and we will save the outcome in sample string and we will print the sample string. So let me run it. And here we can see this path. You can use this path. This is the path of the bot agent folder. So let me close this. And so for example, if you want to extract the path of the control room or you need that URL of the control room, you can select this and save and click on run. It will give the URL of the control room, which is this one. And here we go, we can see the URL of the control room. You can compare it with this URL. So now if I want to get the name of the task, so we can use this variable or a task name. It will give the path of the task bot. And here we can see the name of the task bot and the path of this task bot. And if you want to get the operating system name, you can use this OS name variable. So now let's see how can we extract, how can we get the current date. So we'll use this toString action of the datetime package. And in this, again, we will click on insert a value and we can see for system, we have this date. Only one variable we have, and format you can select. So for example, I want to get the current date in the month, day, year format, and outcome or the output we will save in the sample string. So let me run the bot. Okay, so we can see we are getting 55092024 because we have given this month. So for month, we need to give capital M, and this small m are for minutes. So as of now, it's 55, 56. So it was showing 55 the minutes of the system. So for month, we need to give capital M. If you want to get the value of specific entity, means if you want only date, if you want only day or minutes or hour or anything else, so you can use the another action. You can use another variables which are specific for hour, minute, seconds and all. Okay, we are getting the correct date now. And if you need time also, you can give the time HH, MM, SS. These system variables are really very useful, and system variables are powerful tools that can save our time and effort in our automations. By understanding and using them effectively, we can create more dynamic and efficient boards. So here we go, we can see date, time, everything. And if you want to extract a specific entity, means if you need only hour or minute, so you can take a number, assign action, and in that you can use that your date, date, not the date. You can use day, so it will give the day, means today is 9th, so it will return the day. Similarly, you can use month. For the month, and we can see this list, month, minute, millisecond, everything you can extract with the help of this. Thanks for watching this video, guys. Do let me know if you have any doubt or any question in Automation Anywhere or in any other topic.